Hi, here I have a car emergency kit by Vcan Energy. Now, first and foremost, the pack it is contained in is made out of a sturdy material, the type you usually find on backpacks and whatnot to protect it from the elements. When you open it up, you are greeted with some car jumper cables. They are pretty long. As you can see, it's pretty thick, just fold it up. And the handles here are very sturdy as well. Moving on, it also comes with these gloves here. They have some rubber grippage on the sides here, allowing for easy grippage, no slipping. And it is also stretchy, so it can mold to different hand types. You also have a plastic outdoor poncho. And then this window breaker. It is not too sharp, but it is pointy, and it is pretty lightweight, with most of the weight being on the top here, allowing for way better breakage. Then here we have the Vcan air compressor. It's pretty lightweight. The bottoms here just have rubber footing so it can stay in place. When you do have to plug it into your car, so do be aware of that. And the cord is pretty long as well, but the ropage for this air compressor it has a rope lining, so it should protect it from any sharp objects that might come its way. It also has a first aid kit, very small but very compact. It has several things like gauzes, tweezers, and just several other wipes and bandages, and scissors too. It also comes with duct tape. The duct tape itself is pretty strong and sturdy. Here I am trying to find it so you can see. It is kind of difficult to unroll it, but if anything, that's a good testament to how grippy it is. So, yeah, there we go. As you can see, there we go. Did not cut that properly, but just so you can see the grippage, it sticks pretty well. Moreover, you also have several different tools. Like here we have just a plastic shovel, and as well as several different light signages. They're reflecting, and there you go. And as well as a flashlight. Batteries are not included, so be aware of that. The brush for this tool is pretty soft and bendable, and so on and so forth. Okie dokie, this was given to us as a sample. Bye.